I'm gonna hope to God that is not crooked. So, welcome to Budgie Tricks. A past series I had with Cookie and Cassie. If you don't remember Cookie and Cassie, then you don't remember the series. Budgie Tricks turned parrot school. Then Cookie passed away. Then I got Elvis, which was Parrot School Season 2. And then I deleted my account in May, this past May, and May 2016. And I now have 7 accounts, and I'm bringing back Budgie Tricks. So, here is Chris. I hope you guys can see very well. So, here is the millet. You guys can't see it, but I have a thing of millet with me. And I was going to do the ladder trick, but I don't have a ladder, so. Sorry. Something went down the wrong way. Okay. Okay, so here we are. I've got some millet. And I've got Chris. And I have no idea where Elvis is. I think he's still in his cage, actually. Are you still in your cage? Yes, you are. Okay, so here's Chris. And I am going to be doing wave, which I think is the easiest trick for your bear to learn. So let's start. So hold millet in front of them. Just show them the millet. Let them know that they're going to have a treat. Keep showing it to them. And put your finger near their foot. After they, don't bite. After they, lift up their foot, reward them. Reward them. Come on. Chris never seems to take millet from my hand. There's like fuzz or something all over the perch right now. Good boy. And please get back over there. You guys cannot see the perch. Okay, there we go. You can kind of see the perch. Please get back over there a little bit. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. You only get one. Good boy. Oh, now you take all the millet you want. Step up. Step up. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Step up. No, step up. Okay. Just up. Okay, Chris is being a bit stubborn right now. After they get the hang of lifting their foot up, then you can start saying the word wave or hi or whatever cue word you want. Now, Chris obviously does not have the hang of it, but I do believe I taught Elvis this. But I can't get him out at the moment, so I'm just going to demonstrate using this. So you put your finger near them, show them the millet, and say hi or wave. I'm going to be using hi because I want them to wave every time I say hi. Chris, hi. Good boy. When they lift up their foot after you say hi, you reward them. Or after you say wave, or goodbye, or hello, or whatever your cue word is. Chris, hi. Good boy. Chris, hi. Good boy. Oh, you're so close to the camera right now. Step up. Good boy. Okay. Chris, hi. Good boy. Chris, hi. Good boy. I don't care that he's moving away. I just see him move his foot and I reward him. So yeah. That is budgie tricks for you. Yay. That is how you teach your bird how to wave. Eventually, as your hand gets further and further away from them, you can start waving to them and say the cue word. Cue word. Cue. Say your cue and your bird will eventually pick up on it, and eventually, as if you say hi to them, they'll just wave to you or something. If you say hi to them, if hi is your cue word. Okay. Said that wrong, but still. See you guys in my next video.